Hey, in this video I will teach you how you can make this title in Davinci Resolve. First, I add a moon PNG that look like a banana and then resize and align it. Then I write moon night and decrease character tracking. Then I replace the O in the moon with PNG. Then I add a texture and change it to clipping mask. Then I select both layers and convert them into smart object. Turn off BG visibility. Then go to text layer blending option and check bevel and impose and apply these changes. Then I save this as PNG. Then I change background color to black and save this project as JPEG. Now open up Davinci Resolve and add the moon night text with the black background and add a glow effect on it. Now go to the effect setting and apply these changes. Change the shine threshold to this, spread to this, HIV ratio to this value, and in color and composite change the gain to this value and gamma to this value and saturation to 0. Now add the transparent moon night text on top of this layer and add a directional blur on it. Now go to the effects of this layer and change the blur angle to 135 and change the blur strength to this value. Now change the blur type to stylize in advanced control. Now go to the composite mode of this layer and change the mode to screen. Now duplicate this layer and place it on top of this layer. Now select this layer, go to the effects and change the blur angle to -135 and change the strength to this value. Let me turn off the visibility of these two layers and add a text with the black background, just to demonstrate why we use the transparent background for this effect. Now as you see, if we use the black background text for the directional blur, we don't get that result that we get with the transparent background. Now let's animate the directional blur. Go to the 15th frame, go to the effects of this layer, add a keyframe of blur strength, go to the 3 second and change the blur strength to 0. Now turn off the visibility of this layer, select the second one, add a keyframe, go to the 3 seconds and change the blur strength to 0. Now trim the both layer. First add a fade opacity effect on both of these layers and now trim these layers. Now select the text with the black background, go to each effect, add a keyframe or shine threshold and decrease the value in 4 seconds. Now you can mess around with the glow setting to get the better result. Select all layers and make a new compound clip. Now go to the color page and using the gamma and the curve, color grade this title. And in edit page I enable the dynamic zoom and apply camera shake on this title and change the value to this value. So this is our final result. I hope you like this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next one.